Hey Crafty Divas, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a Beadtin haul for pearl pony beads only. Let me show you my pony bead stash. It's low. This is the only reason I'm purchasing these pony beads, because I'm now currently on a buying haul. A buying freeze, sorry. So these are all the pearl pony beads I have left. As you can see, one is empty, those two are low. Sorry for the mess. So that was the reason for this haul. Now let me show you what I use my pearl pony beads for. So I got the peach, oh no, this is the gold pearl. This one is the light peach pearl. I got the purple pearl. I really needed these. These are light purple. I also got light pink. This one is light blue pearl. The turquoise, light turquoise pearl. And then we have the small packs. So I got 3 of those. And the lime pearl. So I made this organizer out of Dollar Tree items. I used 6 of these little things, and then I used 2 cutting boards and glued them all together. And this is what I'm going to put my pony beads in. If you saw before, I used this for my pony beads, which is perfect sizing, but these are always sold out. So I don't have any in stock right now, so I'm going to just use this. It was cheap. It was like $12, $13. Not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and use these in stock. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, if you would like me to make a specific video, a tutorial on one of my keychains, don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. Bye.